IBPS Prelims Exam Analysis 2020. This is the 12th December 2020 clerk exam analysis, and the total time allotted for each slot is 60 minutes. The number of questions are 100 questions. So here you can see for English language 30 questions 30 marks, quant 35 questions 35 marks, and reasoning 35 questions 35 marks. The time slot for different durations is 20 minutes. So it is 1 hour exam, and now in this video we'll be going through the analysis for the 12th of December IBPS clerk. What are the questions asked and how the exam and what could be the cutoff. So this is what the sectional cutoff, and the good items for English section is 21 to 25, and for reasoning section is 22 to 25 questions out of 35 questions, and for quant the good items were 20 to 24. So the level of exam is kind of moderate, and difficulty level is moderate. So the good items are 60 to 73. So the good items are based on the review of those candidates who have appeared in the first shift and also different shift. So this is regarding the clerk analysis, and now we will see the sectional wise analysis. First we will go to the English language section. What are the questions asked? So for 30 marks the duration was 20 minutes, and the reading comprehension is based on Sweden and CO2. So the questions asked are passage of reading comprehension. The number of questions asked are 8 questions, and the level of difficulty is easy to moderate, so it is a bit not that hard. So the next questions, 5 questions, para jumble or rearrangement. So the number of questions are 5 questions, and some of the fillers like fill in the blanks, and we need to fill in the prepositions or some of the articles where we need to fill in the blank will be given. So that is kind of 5 questions were given. They are also easy to moderate, and 6 questions are error detection, that is wrong spelling, and closed test there are 6 questions overall. This is what the English section is easy to moderate out of 30 questions. So the good items for English section is 21 to 25. Now we will get into reasoning section. For reasoning section their puzzles were 20 questions, and their difficulty level is moderate. So, and again inequality they have given 5 questions. The difficulty level is easy, and direction there are 3 questions, and they are obviously easy direction questions. And alphanumeric there are 5 questions. They are kind of moderate, not that easy, but time taking and time consuming. And blood relations there are 2 questions. The difficulty level is easy. So overall 35 questions. So the quantitative or reasoning section is considered to be moderate and also time consuming if you have practiced very well. So there you can have an advantage. And also the puzzles were 4 floors and 2 flats. So these kind of puzzles were asked, so it is kind of a linear arrangement, and probably there may be having a circular arrangement as well in the coming sections or coming sessions. So you do prepare very well regarding the linear and circular arrangement questions also. And aptitude, for quantitative aptitude, for simplification there are 10 questions, out of which 6 are easy, and rest of them are time consuming, so they are lengthy. That's why if you would have practiced very well simplification with some shortcuts, you would, a good attempt for 10 questions is 8 questions, and some arithmetic questions are 12 questions. They are kind of easy. So the arithmetic the questions asked from profit and loss and percentage, this is the section of arithmetics. And data interpretation there were 10 questions. They are easy, but they are calculative, so you should be strong in calculations as well. And also for missing number of series there are 3 questions. 3 questions, that is easy kind of thing if you would have practice. So total number of questions are 35 questions, and the level of difficulty is easy and that too calculative. So it is time consuming. Quantity is also considered to be moderate, but it is very time consuming, so the practice is more important. This is, and DI is based on the number of visitors in the park, and also there some kind of DI was line based based on the scales. So this is what the data interpretation of quantitative section asked in this section, in this analysis. So this is what the analysis is all about. The good attempts were 60 to 73 for this section, and for rest of the sections also today it could be around 70 to 75. So it could be around 70 to 75 in rest of the sections, and the English language section is scoring 20 to 25 were good attempts, and reasoning and quantitative aptitude sections for all the shifts are considered to be very time consuming. If you would have practiced with enough mock tests, you would have given a very good attempts. So this is regarding the analysis of IBPS clerk exam for different shifts. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Have a great day.